Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you how to add a page to your website. We've done a blog already, so next you want to grow your website with the page. It's very easy to do. So if you go down here and click pages, you can go to add new. Alternatively, if you are on the front end of your website, you can add new as well up here. So if we go to add plus page, it's going to take us to the back end, and from there we can add in a title. So I'm just going to put test, and just for the SEO I want to put in a focus keyword. So for me it is website designer, and then I'll put wellness business, and for you it could be your speciality, what practice you're doing, who you're helping, your 4 keywords. And then that's it, and we want to use the Divi Builder. So the Divi Builder gives you 2 different options. First we're just going to choose the layout. I'm going to give you 2 different options during this video, but we'll start with choosing a pre-made layout. So you'll find that in your saved layouts I have created you a page template. So this is the Divi Builder, where you can build into your page here, but we're going to use the front end, which is the new thing that WordPress has come up with, which just makes it so much easier to use. So now my page is going to look a little bit different to yours, but it's going to all be the same kind of thing. I have my blue line around the edge, which is the whole section. I have these green lines, which are the rows. And then I have these black lines, which are the elements. So to get into edit them, I'm going to keep the header the same. I want to click on the second button. When this little black line comes up, I'm going to click on the second one, which is the settings. Click on that, and you can change the header and the text. Remember, if you're bringing in text from a different source, like a Word document, remember to paste it into this. So you get rid of all of that, delete it, and paste it into there. And then you go over to the visual and you can make it, you can edit it here. I always recommend having the header 1 at the top of the page, and then as you go down the page you want to use header 2, 3 and 4. That is just the rules of hierarchy with text, and it's going to keep a nice flow of design throughout your website. The text here is paragraph, and these are going to look different on here to your website because this is the font that I've chosen for mine, and your font will be different up here and here. You can add a link as well if you want to add in a link, just by highlighting the word and then finding the link button, which is there, insert, edit link, and you can type in the URL. And make sure that the target, if it's for your website, it can have none. If it's for an external website, always make sure it opens in a new website, because you don't want that person to leave your website. Okay, and then you can save that. And then here you can edit this text here on the left. You can edit this the same way as before, so you're pressing that button there. You can change the images by clicking on them, and then the same button again, and then going to settings and choosing a new image. Here always put a title, so for me I'm going to put website design, business, wellness, and that's just going to help Google find me. And there you have it. If you think that that's enough for this page and you don't want the extra bit that I put in, you can press delete. So up here you've got the delete button there, and there you can have your page. If you don't like the line, yours is going to be very different, but you can just delete that. And that is how you can edit that. If you want that section and then want to add it and edit another section, you can press the blue button, and in there you'll find that in the library I've added a few options for you. So for me, let's just say I'm going to put this, my promise in. It's going to be different to yours, but it's just a bit of text that I put in regularly in my websites. And then if I don't like that, I can just delete it again. Now, these green sections are global, so I don't want you to make any changes to anything if it's in green. Write that down, because I can't lock it from you to do that. But if we change something in here, it's going to change it in the whole site. So that's important that you do that. You'll often find that it's probably at the bottom of each of your sites. It's called a footer, which will be the same in every single page. So don't change anything if it's in green. If you do change something by accident, just come out of the page and don't save anything. So you can click on the WordPress and this box will come up saying you have unsafe changes. Just discard and exit. If you accidentally press save and then you have changed something and it's changed everything, we are going to go back into Pages. This is relevant to anything. So if someone else goes onto your website, changes something and it messes everything up, there are ways that you can go around that. So we're going to go to my home, click on edit, and before we go into anything else, if you scroll down, you'll see here a revision section. So I can click on my revisions of 16 minutes ago, and then I can restore. Oh no, that's the revision of now, sorry. So if I go to the revision of 39 minutes ago, I've just pressed previous, 39 minutes ago, I can click restore, and that's just going to go back to the revision before. Very easy to do. Don't get too overwhelmed with that. But any changes that you make, if it's small within these pages, we can always get back to them. One more thing I don't want you to do is go into this blog page. Remember, when you're adding blogs, they are with posts and not pages. So try and not edit this page. If I just show you quickly. On my blog page, this bit is going to automatically update. So when I add a blog to my posts pages here, it is going to automatically update on here. So there is no need for you to go into this page to edit it. And it has been done before, so just be really careful with that. If you have any questions, just let me know, and remember to check out the other videos on adding blogs. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.